Hello everyone, my name is Jene and welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Tonight's video we're going to do a full post review on this lovely painting you see in front of you. This painting comes from Inlove Arts. Now I purchased this painting back in January. I received it in March. Now the reason for the delay was due to the coronavirus. I did receive it though in March 31st. I started the painting April 6th and I finished the painting on April 18th. This is a 50 by 70 full round drill and I paid $26. So let's go over the pros and cons to this painting. There's only one con that I had with this painting, and that was with two of the symbols. The symbols were very clear, but if you work on a painting like I do, I can work hours on one. And after a while, my eyes will start to cross, and then it's really difficult to distinguish one letter from another, especially if they're very close or similar to each other. So the only problem that I had was like right through here where you see the green and the dark green and the blues. The symbols were a capital D and a capital G. So after a while, that D and G started to blend in, and it was really, really difficult. So I had to constantly remind myself that I had to get up and walk around and do other things, give my eyes a break so that I can start working on it again. Other than that, that was the only con that I had with this painting. So let's go over the pros real quick. One pro, it's poured glue. When I did my first Inlove Arts diamond painting, I was shocked. I wasn't expecting poured glue, and it was a welcoming shock. The other pro to this is the drill field was crystal clear. The symbols were clear. As I said though, if you are like me and you can spend hours painting, those symbols are going to start to blend in. So yeah. Lots of extra drills provided with the painting, and the quality of the drills that they have for these paintings is phenomenal. So by saying that, I'm going to show you these drills real quick. So here are all the drills that came with the painting. And as you can see, some of the drills I have quite a bit of. Some of them are kind of, small, but still lots of leftovers. Like this bag is just full, but lots of colors, lots of them. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this bag here and I'm going to show you the quality of these drills. And I think that you guys will all agree that these are really nice drills. And that's if I don't spill them first. So I'm just going to shake them about and then bring them up to the camera and then take a look at those drills. There is a stowaway there, it looks like. We've got probably a 318 in there. But as you can see, these drills have no dimples. There's no nubs. They are perfect. I didn't have any problems with these drills at all. And the shine that comes out of these drills are amazing. So that was one color. So let's take a look at another. Now we all know that if there's any problems with any of the drills, it's usually going to be with the darker colors. So that's why I wanted to show you the darker colors. So that was the dark green. So let's go with 823. This is a really dark blue. Unfortunately, well, I shouldn't say unfortunately. I should say fortunately, this painting didn't come with 310s. So I can't show you the 310s. But here's a darker color. Now this is, like I said, a dark blue. Again, no nubs, no dimples. Those drills are fabulous. They're beautiful. Okay. And let's just show you one more color. I've been really good. I haven't dropped any of these yet. Lately I've just been dropping drills like you wouldn't believe. Okay, so let's take a look at this one here, these yellows. There we go. All right, kind of shake them up a bit, and there you go. So again, no dimples, no nubs. These are simply fabulous drills. Okay, so just put these back in. Come on, there we go. There we go. So let me just clear this off real quick and we can take another look at this painting. Let me know what you guys think about this painting. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is it something that may interest you? There we go. So again, everyone, this comes from Inlove Arts, and I call this Lazy Day at the Beach. I purchased this painting on January 22nd, received it on March 31st. It's a 50 by 70 full round drill. Also, if you're interested in taking a look at Inlove Arts, I have some really super news. The sales team has reached out to me and asked me if I would consider becoming an affiliate with their store. And I thought about it for a few weeks and decided that I was going to do that. So if you're interested in purchasing a painting from them, there will be a special code down below that you can purchase a painting at, I believe, 15% off. It will also give me a little bit of kickback, but it also gives you that discount. I will have all that information down below in the description, but Inlove Arts also sells other types of crafts. They do a lot of paper crafts. So if you're into journaling or card making, things like that, that store is the place to go. And that code works on all of their products, not just the diamond painting. So if you're interested, that information, like I said, will be down below in the description. So everyone, by saying that, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. If you like the video, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you decide to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That bell will let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So by saying that, everyone, if it is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it's evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name is Jene. Thank you for spending some time with me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.